HVAC troubleshooting. Did you know that the third biggest investment for the average American is their air conditioning/heating unit? With prices in the thousands of dollars, most people want to be sure that their HVAC unit will provide the comfort they seek, use the least amount of energy possible, and be relatively trouble-free. But even with new units, there are bound to be some issues that arise with your AC/heating unit, but not everything that happens requires an expensive visit from a professional. Before you call in the AC guy, you may want to check out HVAC troubleshooting guides available on the internet. There are several HVAC troubleshooting sites from which to choose, and you may even like to read over more than one of them to see if the advice is consistent. Even if you do need to call in a repairman, it certainly pays to understand the basics of how your HVAC system works so you can converse intelligently with the service technician when he or she arrives. HVAC troubleshooting guides can also help keep you from getting ripped off. Of course, most service companies are quite legitimate and honest, but there are probably some out there that might choose to take advantage of uninformed consumers, so having a reasonable knowledge about your product is always a good idea. The more informed you are, the less likely it is that you will get taken for a ride, so take care of that expensive HVAC system, but look into understanding as much as you can about it yourself via online or other HVAC troubleshooting guides. These guides can also help you find local, reputable repair technicians, answer questions that you have, provide information and reviews of books on the subject, give you the contact information for professional HVAC organizations, and so on. Question for an HVAC technician? HVAC troubleshooting, http://www.hvactroubleshooting.net, is the place to visit. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Tony_DeLerno/274937